Today I am going to cover laws of exponents. Multiplication. A raised to n multiply with a raised to m is equal to a raised to n plus m. This is a law of multiplication. Example: x to the power of 4 multiply with x to the power of 3 is equal to x raised to 4 plus 3. Answer is x to the power of 7. Second example: y raised to 3 times y raised to negative 4 is equal to y to the power of 3 plus negative 4. Answer is y to the power of negative 1. Next is division law. A raised to n divided by a raised to m is equal to a raised to n minus m. Example: x to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of 7 is equal to x raised to 3 minus 7 is equal to x raised to negative 4. Next is a power of a power. Here we can see a power to another power. The rule is a raised to n in the bracket and whole bracket to power m is equal to a raised to n multiply with m. Here example: x raised to 4 in the bracket then whole bracket to the power of 3 is equal to x raised to 4 multiply with 3. Answer is x to the power of 12. Next example: y raised to negative 3 in the bracket to the power of 2 is equal to y raised to negative 3 multiply with 2. Answer is y raised to negative 6. Now next rule is power of a product. Here ab in the bracket raised to n is equal to a raised to n times b raised to n. Example: 3x to the power of 2 and this whole bracket to the power of 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 3 multiply with x raised to 2 in the bracket to the power of 3. Now here we can see this is 3. The same exponent remain here, number 3 and number 3. Here 3 and here also 3. Here x square, here x square is equal to 27 x raised to 6. So here we can see value of 3 raised to 3 is 27 and here this has value x raised to 6. Next example: xy in the bracket raised to 7. Answer is x to the power of 7 multiply with y to the power of 7. Next rule is power of a quotient. Here a over b in the bracket to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n divided by b to the power of n. Example: 4 divided by x in the bracket to the power of 3 is equal to 4 raised to 3 divided by x raised to 3. Answer is 64 divided by x raised to 3. Hope this video helped you understand laws of exponents. Subscribe and like the video if you want more lessons.